In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use computed columns in Glide. Computed columns are powerful because they let your app calculate values on the fly, so you don't have to store extra data. They update automatically whenever the source values change, which keeps your app fast, consistent, and easy to maintain. First, head to Glide and sign into your account. Once you're in, open the app you want to edit so you can work directly in its data. At the top of the Glide Builder, click Data. This switches you into the Data Editor, where all your tables and columns live. On the left sidebar, select the table where you want your computed value to appear. Pick the table that already contains the source columns you plan to use, like prices, quantities, or scores. Keeping related data together makes your setup easier to manage later. Now click the plus New Column button. Give your new column a clear, descriptive name that tells you what it calculates. Something like total cost or score percent. Good naming helps you and teammates understand your app at a glance. For the column type, select Computed, then choose Math. The Math column lets you write a formula that combines or transforms values from other columns. In the Formula field, reference the existing columns you need and build the expression you want. For example, you might multiply a price by a quantity, add subtotals together, or divide a score by a maximum. As you type, Glide will guide you toward valid syntax and show a preview so you can confirm the results look right. If something doesn't calculate as expected, double-check that the source columns have the data types you intend. Numbers should be numbers, not text. Next, select the display. This controls how the computed value appears in your app. Choose format options that match your data, like decimal precision, percentage, or currency style. Thoughtful formatting makes results easier to read and reduces user confusion. When everything looks good, click Save. Your computed column will be added to the table, and you'll see the values populate instantly across your rows. From here, you can use this column anywhere in your app. Filters, visibility conditions, inline lists, or components, without having to recreate the logic. Thanks for watching this step-by-step Glide tutorial. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials and walkthroughs. See you in the next video.